Okay, let's do this.
The car's now telling me it's 47 degrees.
Bad news.
What?
Alright, so today we are heading down the Eyre Peninsula towards Venus Bay and the Talia Caves. We're going to be exploring that area around there. It is currently 9:45 AM and it's already 37 degrees Celsius, heading to a top of 42, so it should be an absolute scorcher. But anyway, join us as we explore that area. So we're about to go out to the South Head walking trail. Fantastic views, but check out the wind, just trying to open the door. It's so windy, I can't even open the door.
Gee, it's pretty strong.
It is, that's how windy it is. Alright, let's go.
And what's the temperature?
38 still.
Ooh.
As you come around, you'll see a memorial to two young guys who unfortunately drowned here as a boating accident. One was aged 22, one was aged 17. This was in 2012, so it's about 10, 11 years ago. But the amazing thing is, if you come over here, there's a plaque here. One of his mates rode his bike 12,000 kilometres from Singapore to London and Perth to Venus Bay to raise funds for his mate's memorial. How's that for amazing? Alright, so that was a pretty cool walk around that loop, around that coastal area there. Very nice. We've just ducked into the cafe, get a nice coffee, but they've got this stuff here called Boss Coffee, which is actually Japanese canned coffee. So it's double espresso. It's actually not too bad, you know. If you want to try it out, grab one of these. We're going to now try to find the Talia Caves. Alright, we just arrived at the Woolshed Cave, which is part of the Talia Caves, and we're about to go. I can see there's a set of steps that go down, and the car is telling me it's currently 43.5 degrees Celsius, so it's pretty hot, and it is a really strong wind. So anyway, we're going to brave it and go down.
Okay, let's do this. It is scorching hot. This is a really great view, but boy, it is hot. 43.5 degrees, and the heat's radiating off these rocks. So I think we're going to head back to the car, turn on the aircon and grab something to drink.
Wow, there's fantastic views and scenery down there, but it is brutal. It's now hit 44 degrees, it's only 2 p.m. and we are cooked. We're going to grab some drinks in the car, and then there's a place around the corner called the Tub. Apparently we can go for a swim, so I think that's where we're heading next. Oh.
Alright, I think we found the tub, but I don't think this is quite the swimming hole that we were thinking. There's definitely no swimming here. It's pretty amazing. Bad news.
What?
No swimming here.
Really?
No.
What happened?
It's like a big crater in the ground. It's not an actual swimming area.
Oh, it did say swimming in the tub.
No swimming in this tub.
Alright, so that was the tub. I got as much video as I could as quick as I can. The car's now telling me it's 47 degrees here, and we're done, we're cooked. We're going to head back to the van now, get some cold fresh water, and that'll be it for the day. If you like this video, make sure you hit like and subscribe, and join us for our next one as we explore Australia.